Up until about a year ago, my life was pretty normal. I lived in the greatest place ever, Brooklyn. Had 2 cool parents and loved all things science and superheroes. Everything changed, though. When my dad was killed in the City Hall bombing, I couldn't believe he was gone.
Your father died protecting this city.
Freeze, Dad! Huh!
He taught you to follow your conscience in an often cruel world.
But Peter Parker and his Aunt May, they were there for me. And so was Spider-Man, who I later found out was Pete. Crazy, right?
My name is Miles Morales. I was bitten by a radioactive spider.
You're a born hero, Miles. Don't ever lose that fighting spirit.
I promise to do everything in my power to protect this city. A hero's just someone who doesn't give up. Now it's your turn. Go be a hero, Miles.
You can't win! Why do you keep fighting?
Because I'm Spider-Man.
I killed Spider-Man. Why did I just see 2 more?